Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're familiar with Hyperliquid, then today I'll share another project like that, which is called GRVT. You can participate in their airdrop project by trading, investing, etc. Their season 2 is now open and you can participate to get an airdrop. 20% tokens are given to participants of season 1 and season 2. As for the funding, they have $33.3 million, and if you look at their investors, you'll see big names like Delphi Ventures, along with lots of tier 2, 3 and 4 investors backing them. If you check their website, they clearly mention how you can earn points. As you can see, you can earn points by trading, depositing, investing and referring friends. Also, if you scroll down, you will see how many points you can get based on activity. There's 50% you can earn by trading. Before joining, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out and join now. To participate in the airdrop, first you need to land on this page. I'll provide the link in the video description. After landing here, you first need to create an account. For that, enter your email, then click next. Choose your password, agree to the terms, and then click on create account. Now you need to verify your email, so check your email and confirm it. After verification is complete, click on login. Then enter your email and password to login. And your account is now created. Next, you need to set up a blockchain key. Click on continue. Then you'll need to verify. Check your email for the code, copy it and paste it here. Once that's done, you're ready to trade. Click on start trading. Then go to your profile tab where you'll find the deposit option. Click there and you'll land on this page. Here you can deposit with Arbitrum, BNB or Tron using USDT and USDC options. After depositing funds, click on the trade option. You'll find a complete trading interface just like any other trading platform. Here you can trade with different pairs such as BTC, Ethereum and many others. I'd recommend trading carefully, and if you don't know anything about trading, then don't trade here. Now to check your points, click on earn, then select GRVT Airdrop. Here you'll see your total points, ranking, etc. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.